By following a few basic and important care instructions, you can help improve the functioning of your sonnet and extend its life. Clean sonnet regularly by wiping it with a soft, damp cloth. If the microphone covers get wet, wipe them dry, use the drying kit, or replace them. Protect sonnet from excessive or unnecessary exposure to water. Sonnet is water resistant, but if your sonnet gets wet, gently wipe it dry with a soft absorbent cloth. Don't use cleaning solutions. Use extra care when you clean any small parts, such as the battery contacts and microphone covers. To clean the battery contacts, use a cotton swab and a small amount of rubbing alcohol. Gently wipe them dry and avoid touching the battery contacts with your hand. Use the drying kit every night to allow your sonnet to dry out completely.